The artificial intelligence market is set to explode, with an estimated growth rate of 34% over the next 10 years, reaching a value of nearly $16 trillion by 2030. This rapid growth is going to revolutionize every industry, changing how we create, perceive, and absorb information in the future. In this video, we'll discuss the top 10 stocks that are best positioned to benefit from the AI boom. However, there are so many promising companies that we'll also provide a list of runner-ups so you can explore all the different opportunities to capitalize on this projected 34% yearly growth over the next decade. It's going to be a tsunami of innovation, and you won't want to miss out. Let's start by talking about NVIDIA, a company that is famous for manufacturing graphics cards and complex chips, but its involvement in AI goes way beyond that. One of the main reasons NVIDIA is well positioned to benefit from the AI boom is that AI relies on algorithms within programs. While there are many software companies creating these programs, they need powerful hardware like NVIDIA's GPUs to handle the massive amounts of data and facilitate their growth and scalability. NVIDIA not only excels in hardware but also offers generative AI models, known as their NeMo service, to help enterprises build their own AI solutions. Additionally, they have partnered with Medtronic to create an AI platform for software-defined medical devices using their Holoscan technology. The company is actively forging partnerships across various industries, ensuring significant growth potential in the coming years and making it an attractive investment option. To put things in perspective, NVIDIA's stock performance has been outstanding, with a year-to-date increase of 95.2% compared to the S&P 500, 8.3% growth. Analysts' consensus is that it's a buy. All these factors make NVIDIA a key company to consider for your investment portfolio. Next up, let's talk about Microsoft, a well-known company that's been making some significant strides in the AI space. Microsoft made a big move when they integrated ChatGPT into their Bing search engine, shaking up the search engine scene that's been dominated by Google, with a 90% market share. This has sparked discussions with Samsung to potentially make Bing the default browser on their new phones. But that's not all. Microsoft is also using AI in Office 365 to create a more helpful assistant called Microsoft 365 Copilot. It's a far cry from the old Clippy from 1995. Over time, Microsoft plans to revamp its Office software with even more AI features, making users more productive and simplifying tasks like analytics in Excel. Additionally, Microsoft's Azure Web Services are leveraging AI to offer a suite of tools for companies and developers to create their own machine learning models and solutions. This means every company will need to embrace AI to stay ahead of the competition, and services like Azure will play a crucial role in that. Considering all these AI initiatives, Microsoft is well positioned to ride the AI wave and benefit in the long term. In terms of stock performance, Microsoft has seen a 27.3% increase year to date. It currently trades at around $305.55 per share and offers a dividend of approximately $2.63 per share. Most analysts recommend it as a buy. Overall, Microsoft's AI ventures and solid performance make it a strong contender for long-term investment in the AI boom. Let's talk about a lesser-known company called ASML Holdings. They are a Dutch company that makes extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, which are essential for chip manufacturers to produce more powerful and smaller chips. ASML is one of the few companies that make these machines. As chip makers like NVIDIA are experiencing significant growth and there's recent legislation to boost chip manufacturing in the US, the demand for ASML's EUV equipment is expected to remain high for many years. That's why I've included ASML Holdings in my list of top AI stocks. Currently, ASML Holdings stock has gone up by 15.5% year to date, and their last dividend payment was $5.14 per share. The stock is currently trading at just over $636. Many analysts still recommend it as a buy. In summary, ASML Holdings could be a great investment as their technology is crucial in the chip manufacturing industry. which is experiencing strong growth and demand. Let's talk about Alphabet, a big company you probably know as the owner of Google. They've been making a big push into AI with their Google Assistant, which is similar to Amazon's Alexa. It allows you to ask questions and interact with your home devices. Alphabet has also integrated AI into many of their services like Search, Photos, Maps, and Translate. They did have a bit of a stumble with their chatbot called Bard, similar to ChatGPT, but I think they'll improve it soon. They also have Google Cloud Platform, offering AI-powered services to businesses like machine learning APIs and analytics tools. Alphabet has a subsidiary called DeepMind, a leading AI research company working on computer vision and natural language processing. They are working on AI applications for healthcare too, helping predict patient outcomes and develop new drug treatments. Another company you might not be familiar with is Baidu, which is like the Chinese version of Google and more. They are releasing a chatbot called ErnieBot and plan to offer AI solutions to other companies. Baidu stock is up 5.9% year to date, and analysts predict it could go up by 70% more. But remember, these predictions are just estimates. Let's talk about Tesla, a big player in the AI world. We all know how they've developed self-driving vehicles and gathered tons of data from their cars on the road. This data helps them build powerful algorithms for autonomous driving. Tesla's cars are not just fancy toys. They are actually part of their AI training. When flying cars become a reality or robots take on repetitive tasks, Tesla will already have the expertise in AI and situational awareness. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, knows that the real value is in the software and services they can provide through AI. They could even license their autonomous driving software to other car manufacturers. With all this in mind, Tesla is a strong contender for the top AI stock. Its performance year to date is up 32.6%, and most analysts recommend it as a buy. Next up is Meta, the company that owns Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Oculus VR. They've been making big strides with AI, especially in their ads platform and social network Reels, which has led to massive growth in ad revenue. Meta plans to expand AI usage for recommendations and customer support through bots. They also want to use AI for ad creation and business advertising on their platforms. This year, Meta has shown significant profit improvement and is making a strong comeback. With the competition also focusing on AI, they'll likely invest even more in this technology. Meta's stock performance was outstanding, up 100.4% year to date, and analysts still recommend it as a buy. Next up is Arista Networks, a company known for selling computer network switches and software solutions that speed up communications among data center servers. They are a crucial partner for companies like Microsoft and Meta, which are top AI players. Arista isn't a driving force in AI, but they provide the infrastructure upgrades needed for AI systems. Their stock performance is up 31.4% year to date, and analysts have mostly rated it as a buy, with a 37% upside predicted for 2023. Now, let's talk about Amazon, a giant in the AI stock game. They are heavily investing in generative AI technology, similar to ChatGPT, and offer services like Bedrock and Code Whisper. Amazon is also ahead in the voice assistant market with Alexa and has a cashless shopping experience. They are even working on Project Kuiper to provide global internet coverage. Amazon's stock performance is up 21.2% year to date, with analysts predicting a 40% upside for the year. Moving on to TSMC, they make semiconductors and have over 50% of the market share. They are financially stronger than Nvidia, but there's concern over Taiwan's geopolitical situation. TSMC performance is up 9.7% year to date, with a 44% upside predicted by analysts. As promised, here are the other stocks that were considered but didn't make the top 10 AI list.